Good morning, my dear students. Now we'll do revision. Okay, revision of the PA1 portion that we have already done. So now, first I will start with the brief point of the story. The explanation, the question answer I have already explained. But now in revision part, whatever queries and questions you have related to the chapters, you will ask. Okay, and I will just tell you the explanation. I will just try to give you explanation of the queries. So today we will start with a letter to God summary. So this is brief points I have written about the letter. I am telling you the story in brief that one farmer was there whose name is in this story Lanko. He is pronounced both as Lanko and Lencho. So whatever you like, you just pronounce the name Lencho or Lanko. So Lencho was a farmer, okay, and he was having a strong faith in his God. So once what happened, his crops were totally destroyed, okay. So he wrote a letter to the God and expected compensation money in order to feed his family members. So this is a very emotional story and very strong belief of a farmer, okay, towards the God, but it never happen in the real life. Lencho was a very strong man and hard working man, but he was literate, he was educated, and because of education he knew the corruption, okay, in government sector, like the policeman, the post office, employee were corrupt according to him. And so corruption were very much prevalent, okay, on that time. So he has just tried to highlight the corrupt people. But this story is very ironical. The people who helped him, okay, send him money, he criticizes them. So this is a very emotional story. And in this story, the narrator has highlighted the innermost feeling of a farmer. How do he feel, and how he has a strong faith in his God, and how he was reluctant when he received the money, okay. So very innocent farmer was there, but he was hardworking and even literate. So I'm reading, and the main points, okay, the brief points I have written here, and if it is needed, I will just give you references. Lencho house and crop. Lencho had his lonely house, okay, in the valley. It is Lencho house and crop. First point was there. Valley. It was situated on the top of a low hill. From there, one could see the river and the fields. Lencho had a good crop, but it needed rains badly. Means the area, the valley shows that he was living in very remote area. Okay, as a farmer, he was living in a remote area, and he was having one field, crop field, and he could see the river, everything from his house, because his house was on the top of the hill. And his crop was almost ripen, and it needs uh, rain. It needs rain uh, so that it could ripen properly and completely. What happens? It starts raining. Lencho saw the sky in the north. It had rain clouds. His wife was preparing the dinner. He told her that God willing it would rain. Soon began to fall. Lencho went out to feel the rain on his body. He was very glad. He said that the drops of rain means he was expecting, he was thinking like that, that the raindrops, okay, will just give good harvest, okay, in my field, because it is going to ripe very soon. So he was thinking, and suddenly um, the raindrops start falling, it start raining. And in order to feel the rain, he just come out of his home and start feeling that. And he compares the raindrops to that of the new coin. Why? Because the presence of this rain will give him, good harvest, you know, good profit in his cropland. Hailstorm and loss their form. But soon, this is the point. But soon the hail rained on everywhere. The fields became white as if covered with snow. The crop was totally destroyed. Lenko became sad. He felt that they would go hungry that year. Also they would have no seed for the next crop. Means he was very much unhappy with this prospect that this time he will go hungry, the family will starve to death. Okay, and even he is not having seed to just plant once again, to just uh, once again sow the seeds, okay, in the field. Lencho writes to God. The next point, what happens? Lencho writes the letter to God. But Lencho had a single hope, help from God. He was sure that no one dies of hunger. He had a great belief in God. The following Sunday, he went to the post office. He wrote a letter to God to send him 100 pesos. This is the currency, okay, similar to 1100. This description I have given you. He wrote God as the address, and this was the address, God. Postmaster collects money. This is the very simplicity and innocent nature of the farmer. Although he was educated, okay, but he was not very practical in his approach. So education without practice having no worth, okay, no importance. So this is one of the theme. Postmaster collects money. Sorry, Lencho writes to God. He wrote God as the address. Postmaster collects money for lunch. Okay, an employee of the post office showed this letter to the postmaster. The postmaster laughed. This may be a question why the postmaster laughed. Okay, on the letter, because the content states that I need 100 pesos. Okay, 100 rupees from God. So how can the money uh, be reached? Okay, to the farmer. So because of the content of the letter, they were laughing. Seeing the address, he wished to have such a faith in God. He had had an idea, answered the letter, but reading it, he found that the writer needed money. It was to keep the faith of the writer. So he asked all his friends and employees to give some money. So he wanted to just um, the faith of the farmer in the God should be maintained, okay, not be shaken off. So in order to keep the faith, he collected some money, okay, in order to send the um, farmer, so that he could keep hope, okay, in God. So this shows that the postmaster employee were very good people, and he wanted to help the poor farmer, but the poor farmer started, cursing them, criticizing them, accusing them that these employee are crooks, bunch of crooks, and they have my money and have only given 30 less 70 pesos, less than 31. Means he had expected 100, demanded 100, and received only 70, less than 30. He had had an idea, answered the letter, but reading it, he found that the writer needed money. It was to keep the faith of the writer. So he asked all his friends and employees to give some money. So money sent to Lencho, means when he received money, he sent the money to the Lencho. The postmaster collect only 70 pesos. This way, put the money in an envelope and address it to Lencho. He wrote a single word on it, God, as signature. So this was in order to maintain the hope. Okay, he put 70 pesos, okay, in the envelope and wrote the signature of God. Lencho receives the money. The following Sunday, Lencho came to the post office. Sunday is closed, but see, the Sunday is given there. So it is fictional story. Moral story. The post office, he asked if there was any letter for him. He was given that letter. Lencho did not show any surprise because he was having very strong faith. Lencho did not show any surprise on seeing the money. He got angry when he counted the money. He felt that God could not have made a mistake. Lenko, letters to God, calls post office employee crooks immediately. Lencho wrote another letter to God. He put it into the mailbox. The postmaster opened it. Lencho had written in the letter that he had received only 70 pesos, but he had asked for 100 pesos. He asked God to send him, okay, the rest, but God should not send it, okay, through the mail. It was because post office employees were crooks. Means he requested God that don't send the money by the post office because the employee are very crook, bunch of crooks, means thief. They have stolen 30 pesos, okay, and given me only 70 peso. And this is the irony of this story. This is the end of this story. So you will read once again. One reading is very much important. You all will read once, okay, the story, underline the new words that you have already done, learn them, okay. And in next class, I will just explain the NCERT questions. Today you will do the oral questions that are given, okay, in the textbook of in this chapter, and the rest question, that is board based question, value based questions, okay, NCERT questions, I will explain in the next class. Thank you very much. All the best.